Did you know that according to recent surveys, nearly 45% of Indian millennials are struggling with burnout and anxiety? और paradox देखिए, we are also the generation that is statistically earning more than our fathers ever did at our age. Dear millennials, today we will talk about that feeling when you see your salary slip, when you see your success, but don't feel that inner peace. We all know that we are earning more than ever, but we feel older, we feel heavier and less secure. Growing up was supposed to bring stability in our life, but it did something else. Instead, it brought anxiety, performance anxiety, and this is not about that performance anxiety. I'm sure you all are pretty much good with that. I'm talking about this feeling of growing up, but falling down internally. और यही है हमारी जनरेशन का सबसे बड़ा सच. And all that is because we have been sold lie. That lie that achievement equals what? But actually, it's the tax. And that tax is not one that government takes from us. It is the tax our soul is paying. The worth tax. Let's do a quick reality check. Ask yourself these three questions right away. First, is your current lifestyle designed for your happiness or for your Instagram followers? Second, did you buy that expensive gadget because you truly needed it या इसलिए ताकि मीटिंग में आपका स्टेटस दिखे? Third, do you feel exhausted by the sheer effort takes to hide the fact that you are exhausted? One of my friend, let's call her Ria. She's a successful marketing head in Bengaluru. She called me one day and told me, Robin, I got the biggest promotion of my career last month. I should have been happy, right? But I just sat in my car and cried because all I felt was now I have more to lose. Now I have to pretend even harder to match the job title. And this is the dilemma, my friends, my millennial friends, that we face day in, day out. We own the dreams, but we own them on a constant emotional tax. We are all high functioning achievers, killing it at our jobs, running our lives in these hyper speed cities, Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi. I still remember that day thinking when I came to Mumbai and sat to myself, finally, this is my chance. If I could just hustle hard enough, मैं कुछ तो बन ही जाऊंगा. I believed that success was a simple equation. Hustle is equal to success. But we got cheated. We climbed the mountain, reached the peak, and found the view was just more fog. We have the degrees, we have the titles, we have the branded life, and we owned those dreams. And yes, we did that. But we own them on debt, a debt that never goes away. And remember, that debt is not on our wallet, it's on our soul. If this hits home, stay with me because we will deep dive on this. Do you remember your first job, your first salary? That first Apple product was a reward to yourself to feel good. But over the years, वो reward एक requirement बन गया. The look at me lifestyle is now the minimum entry fee we pay to prove we are doing well in life. But here is the truth. Everyone means everyone has their own appetite. Understand, there is no second thought on the fact that ambition is good. I will in fact say it is great to have an ambition. And success is always amazing. But if we are motivated to chase validation instead, then हम सिर्फ अपना बैंक बैलेंस नहीं, अपना खुद का मेटाबॉलिज्म और पीस वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, खराब कर रहे हैं. We are forcing ourselves to consume a success meal that is too big for us just because someone else ordered it. हम exhausting EMI life जी रहे हैं just to sustain a social media version of ourselves. And that is wrong, my friends. हमारी सैलरी बढ़ती है लेकिन सुकून क्यों नहीं बढ़ता? सुकून में इंप्रूवमेंट क्यों नहीं आती? हम ज्यादा पीसफुल क्यों नहीं होते? वेयर आर इनर पीस हैज गॉन? बिकॉज वी आर ऑर्डरिंग व्हाट द वर्ल्ड लाइक्स, नॉट व्हाट वी कैन डाइजेस्ट, नॉट व्हाट वी लाइक. सी, we all are adults and we understand this point, and I'm highlighting this because this is the core. लाइफ में जब भी हम कुछ अचीव करना चाहते हैं तब हमेशा एक ट्रेड ऑफ होता है. एंड इफ यू आर रेडी to pay the price for that lifestyle, then you are taxing your soul. And all this is because this is not your appetite, maybe. This is not what you like from the core. In fact, you are seeking validation on this and therefore you are chasing that. As per your appetite, you will definitely get something, but you will definitely lose something else. Simple trade-off for which we all are fine. अब जैसे रिया के एग्जाम्पल की बात करें तो मैंने आपको बताया था कि शी फील्स दैट शी हैज टू प्रिटेंड मोर टू मैच द जॉब टाइटल. बट माई क्वेश्चन कम्स हियर, फॉर whom? Because if it is for yourself, then you don't need to pretend. But if it's for others, then I will say, think again. The worth tax. Simple. If you have to pretend, then with every step up in life, this will make the facade bigger and you have to pretend even harder if you are seeking validation. And this worth tax is actually high functioning depression. We are brilliant at work, but secretly broken inside. No one talks about this at home. We can't tell our parents we want to quit. We can't tell our families what we are facing, what we are going through. In fact, we want something else from life. हम अपनी लाइफ लूज कर रहे हैं इस चक्कर में just to keep up appearances. And this burden exists because of a lie. That success must be absolute. हम 0.01% फैंटेसी को देखकर अपनी 1% रियलिटी को इनवैलिडेट कर देते हैं. We compare our respectable jobs to unicorn founders, to Ambanis, to Tatas, to Shah Rukh Khans of the world. This is where we need the Akshay Khanna perspective. We all know he's trending right now, so हमने सोचा हम भी कुछ उसके बारे में बात करें. But this is for a reason. So coming back, जब एक जर्नलिस्ट ने उनकी सक्सेस पर सवाल उठाया था, we might have seen that video and he gave a brilliant answer. He said, if you have a business worth 500 crore and you compare it to the Tatas of the world, would you call it a success or would you call it a failure? I'll call it a success because this is not a failure. He forced us to draw our own line. If you want success, chase it. If you have dreams, fight for them. वो पैशन आपकी सोल को टैक्स नहीं करेगा. पर अगर आप सिर्फ सोशल मीडिया इमेज के लिए भाग रहे हैं तो समझ लीजिए सक्सेस इज लाइक एपेटाइट. डोंट रूइन योर हेल्थ फॉर समवन एल्सेस प्लेट. सो द फाइनल कंक्लूजन हियर इज, मेरे दोस्तों, द वर्थ टैक्स should stop here. And it stops when you realize society judged you yesterday, they will judge you today, and they will judge you tomorrow as well. You have to decide where to draw that line. Think about the people judging you. Are they even required in your life? Are they important in your life who are just meant for judging you? The answer is a simple fuck off. Take a pause in your life. A simple pause will show you that you don't need a crowd. You just need few true friends and a family which stands with you. बाकी सब come and go लोग हैं. Success has many fathers, but failure has none. ये मैं कब से कहता हुआ आ रहा हूँ. Remember, when life will drown you, people will leave. And when it lifts you up, people will join the party. And that is hardcore reality. So don't worry about people and their validation. Those will remain the part of your journey. Stay strong with you, stand strong with you. No matter what result you get, are your true well-wishers. Rest all is like weather that keeps on changing. So, the best remedy, define your line of success and fight for it. Effort अपनी एपेटाइट के हिसाब से करो. और अगर कोई कहे यार तू बड़ी गाड़ी रखता है, जैसे कि लोग मुझे कहते हैं, तो मैं उनको जवाब यही देता हूं जो आपको भी देना चाहिए. हाँ, बिकॉज आई लव ड्राइविंग, नॉट बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट टू इम्प्रेस यू एंड आई हैव नथिंग टू डू विद यू. इफ यू नो, you know. And if you know what you love, it is not taxing. But if you are doing it to flaunt, you are getting fooled. Stop allowing your inner peace to be the highest taxed item in your life. अपना रास्ता खुद चुनो, किसी और के टेस्ट के हिसाब से नहीं. क्योंकि कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, उनका तो काम ही है कहना. डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर इन द कमेंट्स आपको किस माइलस्टोन के बाद सबसे ज्यादा वर्थ टैक्स फील हुआ. एंड इफ दिस resonated with you, then like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Next, we will talk about one more dilemma which will resonate with your story, with our story, with our life, the millennial life. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में. Till then, be happy and stay blessed.